Hi, I'm Tori, and today I am going to show you how to import drawing logs from Microsoft Excel into Sage Construction Management. So, to start, the most important thing, you got to make sure you prepare your Excel file correctly. The first three things that you need are the drawing number, release date, and title. This Excel spreadsheet, it's what Sage gave us as the example. So, drawing number, release date, and title, all in yellow. Those are what you need specifically. They need to be filled out or it's not going to work. The description and discipline can be filled out, but it is optional. The drawing number must be in text and needs to be under 25 characters. The release date needs to be in date. Make sure to format your cells correctly. The title needs to be in text, no more than 255 characters. The description also needs to be in text, no more than 500 characters. The discipline is also in text. This is the drawing log that you will be needing to use, the template. The other one was in color. This is just for example purposes. This one, you're not able to have all of these things down here. In this Excel file, it will not import correctly. So here is the exact template that you need to be using. You are going to go into Sage Construction Management, go to Projects or Leads, select from this list or click the hyperlink below. Scroll down to Project Library, click Drawings, click Actions, and Import from Excel. Choose File, make sure that it has been saved correctly. Click Open. Total records are 7, import successful 7. So now I can go to my drawing list. The most important thing, you're not going to see it here because this is just the drawing log. It is not going to bring your attachments in. Now you have everything from Excel onto this list. Once you've made sure that you've clicked off with attachments to add drawings to this log, you go to the drawing itself and linked files here, you can click Add and add your PDF. And that is how you import drawings from Excel to Sage Construction Management.